Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to post videos on Pinterest. So first of all, after you download the app, make sure that you update it. Next up, I'm gonna just open up the app, and after you log in with your account, click create. And from here, I'm gonna just go ahead. Here you're gonna see create, collage, or board. So you're gonna choose, for example, like this one, okay? And if you want to learn how, just go ahead and just learn how. If you don't, just leave it out. And if you want to take already photo from your gallery, you can just take photo and add it right here. So basically you'll be able to see right here if you want to pin, right? If you want to pin a video or photo, just go ahead and allow access. And here you will see the videos that you can add on Pinterest. Just go ahead and move on and add, for example, this video. And I'm gonna just move on to the next step. And as you can see right here, it says use text to share your perspective or add extra info. Next up, I'm gonna just move on to the next step, and here I'm gonna just type the caption about the video, and just add the link. Or if you want to go ahead to the advanced settings, you're gonna see right here, if you don't want to allow comments for this video, just go ahead and add it. And after you edit it, just go ahead and click create, and it will be pinned on your profile on Pinterest. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.